phone.
What's up, YouTube? We back with another taste testing video. Today we're going to test this thing.
Today is March 10th, and this is from Walmart online, not in stores. Some stuff. This is not the actual Walmart people. How to be like, the seller is Walmart. It's from a third party part of Walmart. He's still crying. Yeah. So this is. I don't know. Is it limited edition? Oh no, it's not. Okay, it's just a regular flavor.
Do I got it right?
Yeah, that's it. I need a big plus anyway.
Shit, I think it looks
Wait,
upside down.
hold on.
It's not upside down. Ooh.
Bruh, I was looking at this entire time like, why it look upside down?
Gotta stretch that jump so they can see it.
Yeah, this nigga wild.
What happened? What was that? Oh, it's bottom.
Bro, you gotta find your own way back home, bro.
Well, in it, never mind.
Yeah, you ain't bringing that negative energy in my car, bro. Fuck that. And what? And what? What you gonna say? You not looking like
I'll wait after the video.
Nah, don't be late, bro. You gotta find your. Let me call somebody. Tell them.
Raspberry cream. Oh, yeah, I forgot I had your phone.
With that shit, bro.
Bro, put that raspberry cream in your
With
mouth.
that shit, bro.
Put that raspberry cream in your mouth.
No, Christianity over here.
What the fuck?
Y'all can like my church and subscribe, bro. I am saved. I am baptized.
I'm taking a whole bunch of these.
I don't want this one. You probably keep it. I'll probably take some of these from my grandma though. She does
Devil
right.
food with sugar in it.
What the fuck?
Yeah, shit.
It's sugar in it, but you just had some soda. And you wanted some soda.
It's okay.
Good for him.
I mean, it's raspberry, not even the best berry out there, but.
Nigga reek, bro. I swear.
No.
If only I could talk about this shit on YouTube, bro. This nigga, don't even look at me, bro. Watch out, bro. We keep it this.
What? Some of them.
Yeah, some of
I'll
it.
take like 5 of them.
I'm taking like 10.
Damn, man. It's good though. It's not my favorite. I still prefer.
Don't look at me, bro.
I like.
Cause this nigga is wild,
You
bro.
ever heard that shit?
Yeah.
Hey, we about to die in this house.
Hey, you got downstairs? You got store
You
downstairs?
said dinosaur food?
You got.
I got no downstairs, guys.
You do?
Yeah.
Y'all eat outside?
Yes.
Hey, shut that door.
You think somebody in it? Shane probably in there crying.
Shame that come home until Sunday.
Dang, what the
What the fuck
You
was
got
that?
kidnapped?
What you got?
Motherfucker house.
Then what the fuck was that?
You ain't hear that body too?
I
No,
started to
y'all
probably
fine,
move.
bro. I ain't about to let nobody run up in.
But
Hey, shut the
yeah,
door, bro.
my favorite
Bruh, it's
KitKats.
locked.
Bruh, we not about to get touched by no rapist. I mean, ghosts.
What the fuck was that? Look out the blinds.
Bruh, no one's outside.
Look out the blinds, bro.
Oh my goodness.
I get us a 10 out of 10.
What
9
was
out of
that
10. What was that noise? 9 out of 10.
I don't know, it's a ghost.
Probably the wind, bruh.
The
There's no one
wind.
outside,
The
bro.
wind ain't even that strong.
He probably win.
9 out of 10.
The wind is not strong.
You stop talking to me. Shut up, bitch. What's your rating?
I give it a 10 out of 10. But
It's
the best
sugary.
KitKat to me is the dark chocolate one and the mint one.
She's damn sugary, man. I need some water.
You pouring in my water? Alright, this energy ain't going nowhere, so we're gonna go ahead and close out.
Not in there.
Hurry, Rob, before you see something worse.
All right, hell hydrant.
Yeah,
Not in there.